Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be setting up my planner for January and the first week in January. So I have some stickers that I made here, and I gotta get my tweezers out. Might need a scissors. What else do we need? I don't think we need any of that stuff. Here's my tweezers, and then here's my cutter, and then we'll move this aside. And then here are the stickers I made. So I don't even know if these fit yet. So you're gonna find out with me. So this is my A5 agenda that is Franken-planned. It has 3 different planners plus a 4th DIY planner in here. And I do have a setup video, but let's get on to January because I want to start planning and I haven't done anything yet. Now these, I didn't cut these pages, which I wish I would have. So I gotta take these out this way. Which it's a little bit of a pain, but not a big, huge pain. Taking them out this way. They get kind of caught up on each other, but it is still doable. Okay, so I want this one. And then I also want the first week. So is that easier to do it this way? Let's see here. Ooh. Transfer everything over here and then take out this first, is it this week? Yes. First full week in January. I want to decorate. A little bit of a Butterfingers today. Okay. Oops, got one extra, don't we? All right, then I want to hook this back up. I think I'm going to slit all these so they're easier to put back onto. Okay, let's move this to the side. And get January for now, the month of January, and see how we do with fitting these stickers. So I'm hoping, this looks way taller than this is, so I don't know how this is going to go. Okay, this is how it turned out. I'm not happy with it, but it's my first trial. So it is what it is. Okay. And I did make these little stickers too, and I think they'll fit on here. Like I could put one for National Sticker Day here. And maybe write that in there just to make it look a little different. Instead of all the writing I have on here. All right, I'll write National Sticker Day on there later because now I'm just too flustered to make it work. This is off here too, and that's off there. All right, we're gonna let this go. And we are going to move on. So let's go to the first week. And where did I put that? Let's make this work. Okay, so here's the first week of January. And I have these. Oh, you know what though? I'm not decorating these, am I? I'm decorating my dailies. So I have that wrong too. So let's cut these so that we can put them back in easier instead of having to take it all apart. '30th, 7th, 3rd. Okay, this one goes back there. I have to. Okay, we need the daily section right here. This is where we need to decorate this first week. And hopefully, and actually not the 2nd, we're starting with Monday the 3rd. Did I cut these? No. All right, let's try this and see how this goes. Start all over. Okay, so let's start with the 3rd. Really, I'm not usually this flustered. I don't know what's going on today. So I'm going to take these off and put these on. Here, I need to put for dinners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These go for dinners. I guess I don't need this yet. Okay, so I have all of those. Then I need to put my 8 o'clock morning routine here. Okay, Friday's Thursday. All right, and then these guys are going here, down here. There's an odd amount of days, obviously, and you can't really, well, you can't fit more than 6 stickers of this size on here. So what I usually do is take these bigger ones like this and just use 2 of them on one of the days. And it kind of, you know, replaces the big one because that's how it works. All right. And I put them on the day when it's my least amount of day. I like these because they have lines. That's something that I've been liking lately instead of it being decorative because you can't really use it then. So then I want to put the to-dos on here, which these home and work stickers. Now, I really don't know if I want to use them or not. I could use these boxes down here for work. Maybe I will do that. Maybe that's what I'll use these for. Put it over here. They're just so wonky. I think I will do that. I could put them here. I could put them over here. Maybe I'll put them over here to cover that dot because it's taking away from that one too. I have to work on sizing, I guess. This is why I'm not selling any of these yet, because I'm not quite there with how I want them to be. All right, so Sunday, go back to Monday again. So I got that, I've got that, I've got that. Now I have my little, that 8 o'clock time is when I take my meds and my vitamins and I give the animals their water. So I made this little, I just messed it up, this little check box to put inside of there. Oh, it's extra sticky. So I don't have to write it every day. Wow. This is like Crooked City Week, Crooked Week. I thought on one of these stickers I made them repositionable, but I don't remember which ones they were. Maybe it's those. Okay, so that is what I do to set up a week. I also want to cut these. These are thicker. And I have a sticker on there. Okay. Then I have some other little bands here, didn't I? Just the weather. Okay. So these two are still in. All right, so this is what this looks like. And I have it all set up to write in because being a daily planner, I don't write in them until the day of. So I'm not going to write anything in here yet. It's just that it's set up and ready for Monday. So this is how these look. I think they turned out pretty good, despite the crooked boxes. Let's look at it too. And there's Sunday. And then we start fresh Monday for the next week and the next theme. So that is how I set up my planner for my daily planner for a week. So until next time, bye-bye.